right, guys, here we are. We're back at Joe's Diner. Another awesome meet here, and we've got Joel. Hey, dude.
Hey, mate, how you going?
Mate, you definitely stood out the crowd when you rocked up.
Oh, yeah.
No roof.
No.
The thing's going roof,
Yeah.
roof,
It
roof,
stands out in the crowd
roof.
no matter where it is.
So,
Certainly couldn't sneak up on anybody in it, that's for sure.
no, yeah, you've lost your discreetness, that's for sure.
No, nothing discreet about it. Everything about it's obnoxious.
So, like, first thing you notice, I think, is just the engine noise. Like, the thing's got a massive cam. You can tell it's got a blower. Sounds pretty gnarly when you rock up. What's it got in it?
Yeah, so I got 350 Chev with a 671 supercharger. Nothing over the top, just basic flat top pistons,
Yeah.
you know, just a street tune.
Yeah.
I certainly wasn't out to get big numbers or big horsepower. Certainly doesn't handle like a race car.
Well, it is a 4-drive, so you wouldn't. It's kind of weird if it did.
Yeah, no, it tends to jump around a bit being the short wheel base, but yeah.
Now, this setup came out of your Brom, is that right?
Yeah, I had a HK Brahm that foolishly one night I smashed and rode off.
Yeah.
And so the engine and gearbox came out of that, and I put it into something just to keep it running, and I bolted it into this thing because I had this laying around in the shed.
Yeah.
And then
You thought to yourself, I'm going to do as much as physically possible to a Land Cruiser.
Oh, well, it just started off because as a kid I was always, you know, if I was going to build a four-wheel drive, it was going to be a short wheel base stumpy soft top.
Yeah.
That looked like a little mini monster truck but went and sounded like a drag car. And I tried to stick true to that, and I think I pretty much nailed it.
Yeah, I think you have. I think you have. Now, this thing, did it need a lot of work? Or was it already a pretty tidy car?
It was pretty tidy. Like I've owned it nearly 25 years now, and it was pretty tidy. A little bit of rust in it and everything, but
Tell me about the interior, because you've gone full, like, auto salon style on this thing, you know, like it's the speakers. It looks like it came out of Pimp My Ride.
yeah. Well, Pimp My Ride, that's a fun show to watch, but it's actually what I do for a living. So I fit custom car audio for a living. So
this fits in hand with
well,
what you do.
that's
Yeah.
it. Not many people do it anymore.
Yeah.
So it, you know, because everything else on it was big. It had big wheels, big engine.
Yeah.
I had to put a big stereo system in it, and it was just like trying to work out what I wanted to do. And it was like, let's go for eight 10s, some 6x9s. I got 5-inch splits in the kick trims. When I built it, I custom molded all the tweeters into the front window.
Oh, you did too. Look at that.
And then I custom molded all the dashboard to just a set of 4-inch speakers in the dash and a double-din head unit and everything. And and then because Rockford's my favourite brand, and I had all the Rockford logos. I had them all laser cut, and the Rockford Fosgate logo up the back, all laser cut and everything. So I blended them all into it.
And how many watts of sound power is this thing pumping out?
Well, there's an 800 watt amplifier in the back hidden, and then there's two 1200 watt mono blocks there in the centre which just run the subwoofers.
Yeah.
And I've never run it. It's loud, but it's not boomy because it's not inside a car.
That's
because it's a convertible. It doesn't hold the sound inside, but it's loud. It had to be loud so I could hear it while I was driving.
Just you or China as well?
Oh well, anybody who's around me can hear it.
Yeah, it's around the next mile radius. And what is your business? So, like, if people want to, ask about doing some custom audio, what is it?
I actually work for Autobahn, so.
You do the work outside of Autobahn. Which Autobahn do you work at?
I install her at Ipswich Autobahn at the moment.
Ipswich, okay. So if you guys want something mint, custom, done up with the right gear, Ipswich Autobahn. Damn, you do an awesome job, dude.
So like I said, the stereo in this one. You want to look at the Monaro next door to it? I did the stereo in that system.
Oh, did you? I was looking at that, yeah.
So
we'll have a brief look at that.
You can sort of tell with the logos that I had made and everything. We did them in that one as well.
That style kind of went along, yeah.
Did you also do the stereo system, the Mirage?
Oh yeah, I built a little orange Mirage too, which gets around. I think I've had it once here. I've had it before.
Okay.
Yeah, it's got a 6.
Oh, so the one with the massive speakers on the back?
Yeah,
they look like 15-inch speakers?
Yeah, 6 12-inch woofers in the back of it. Then there's 4 5s across the dash, 4 5s across the tailgate and everything. So, but that one's actually out on display at Jamboree this
Oh,
weekend.
that's cool. Right. Can we hear this thing? Not the stereo, because I think we're gonna
the car?
blow the bloody speakers on this.
Yeah,
but can we hear this thing? Because it idles so tough. That's sick, dude. Thank you so much for bringing it out,
No
mate.
worries.
Well done.
More than happy to talk about it.
Yeah, you've done well, dude. Thanks.
Awesome.
Thanks for
Thank you.
watching.